In today's academic environment, students need technology that is reliable, versatile, and affordable to succeed in their studies. In this video, we have selected the top 5 budget touchscreen laptops for students this year. You can find links with more details about each model in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 3 Chromebook. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 3 Chromebook is a compact, affordable device perfect for students looking for versatility without breaking the bank. Its 11.6-inch HD IPS touchscreen provides clear and sharp visuals, and the 360-degree hinge allows seamless switching between laptop and tablet modes to suit a variety of study scenarios. The Intel Celeron N4020 processor paired with 4 GB of RAM ensures smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing, document editing, and light media consumption. With 64 GB of eMMC storage, students have room for essentials like documents and apps. If needed, the micro SD card slot allows for expandable storage. One of the best features of this Chromebook is its long-lasting battery life of up to 16 hours, perfect for students constantly on the move. Weighing only 2.64 pounds, it's lightweight, portable, and built for long study sessions. The Chrome OS ensures a secure and user-friendly experience with access to a wide range of educational apps through the Google Play Store. Pros: affordable, perfect for students on a budget, long-lasting 16-hour battery life, lightweight and highly portable. Versatile 360-degree hinge for multiple modes. Secure Chrome OS with access to a variety of educational apps. Cons: limited performance, not ideal for intensive gaming or heavy tasks. Small 64 GB storage may require additional storage options. No backlit keyboard for low-light environments. HD resolution may be lacking for high-definition media. Limited number of ports, may need adapters. Number 2. HP Chromebook X364CE. The HP Chromebook X364CE is a feature-packed device that's perfect for students requiring reliable performance with plenty of flexibility, and its 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen delivers stunning visuals, and the 360-degree hinge ensures it transitions smoothly between laptop, tablet, and tent modes for various study environments. Under the hood, it's powered by the Intel Core i3-1125G4 processor with 8 GB of RAM, which allows for easy multitasking with apps, browsing, and even light media editing. The 256 GB SSD provides ample storage and speedy access to academic files, and Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 ensure you stay connected at lightning speeds. A standout feature of the HP Chromebook X364CE is its backlit keyboard, perfect for low-light conditions like when you're working in the library or at night. It also has a 720p HD webcam with a privacy switch for secure video calls and meetings. With up to 10 hours of battery life, you'll have more than enough juice to power through long days of schoolwork. Pros: Full HD touchscreen for bright and sharp visuals, flexible 360-degree hinge for varied usage modes, solid performance with Intel Core, a 3 and 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB SSD for fast storage, backlit keyboard for typing in dim light, and privacy-focused webcam. Cons: limited to Chrome OS compatible apps. Battery life could be better compared to competitors. Heavier than other Chromebooks at 3.3 pounds. Not ideal for high-end graphics tasks or gaming. Number 3. Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1, 2022. If you're seeking a laptop with both performance and versatility, the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1, 2022 is a perfect option. Its 14-inch Full HD touchscreen provides high-quality visuals, whether you're writing papers or watching videos. Thanks to its 360-degree hinge, it adapts seamlessly to laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes, offering maximum flexibility for various tasks. The Intel Core i5 processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM provide enough power for multitasking, including browsing, word processing, and streaming. The 256GB SSD offers ample space to store documents, files, and media with quick access. This ensures that students can handle their workload with ease without waiting long for their apps or files to load. The Inspiron 14 2-in-1 also shines with its sleek aluminum body, making it stylish and durable. The backlit keyboard is perfect for low-light environments, and the precision touchpad improves navigation speed and accuracy. Plus, it offers a variety of ports, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and an SD card reader, giving you the flexibility to connect all sorts of peripherals. While it offers great features, battery life only lasts up to 8 hours, so you might need to charge it during longer study sessions. Still, the Inspiron 14 2-in-1 stands as a solid and dependable choice for budget-conscious students. Pros: 360-degree hinge for multiple usage modes, Intel Core i5 processor, and 8 gigabytes of RAM for solid multitasking, 256GB SSD for fast performance and storage, sleek aluminum design with backlit keyboard, versatile connectivity with USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and SD card reader. Cons: 8 hours of battery life isn't great compared to some other models, not equipped for graphics-intensive tasks, slightly heavier than competitors at 3.5 pounds. No stylus for enhanced touchscreen interaction. Number 4. Acer Spin 3. The Acer Spin 3 is a versatile and budget-friendly 2-in-1 laptop designed for students who need flexibility and functionality. The 14-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen provides excellent visuals for working on documents and viewing media. With the 360-degree hinge, this laptop transitions easily between laptop, tablet, and tent modes, making it adaptable for different study sessions. It runs smoothly with the Intel Core i5 processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM, easily managing daily tasks such as browsing, document editing, and even light multimedia creation. The included 256GB SSD ensures quick file access and enough storage for school-related content. Additionally, the Acer Spin 3 includes a rechargeable stylus, ideal for interactive tasks like note-taking or drawing. The backlit keyboard ensures you can work comfortably even in dark environments, and the fingerprint reader adds a layer of security. With 12 hours of battery life, it's great for students looking to get a full day's worth of work done. At just 3.31 pounds, it's also light and portable for those constantly on the move. Pros: 360-degree hinge for flexible usage, a rechargeable stylus for enhanced note-taking and creative work, backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader for usability and security, lightweight at 3.31 pounds, easy to carry, 12-hour battery life for extended use without charging. Cons: integrated graphics aren't suitable for heavy gaming or graphic work. 8 gigabytes of RAM may not be sufficient for extremely demanding applications. Speakers lack depth, affecting audio quality. No Thunderbolt 3 support for faster data transfer. Number 5. Asus VivoBook Flip 14. Finally, we have the Asus VivoBook Flip 14, a stylish and practical 2-in-1 laptop designed for students who value both appearance and performance. Its 14-inch Full HD touchscreen produces vivid, sharp visuals for both studying and leisure. The 360-degree hinge allows for 4 usage modes, from laptop to tent, ensuring that you can study or consume media in whatever way suits you. Powered by the Intel Core i3 processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM, it handles everyday tasks like web browsing, writing, and video streaming with ease. The 128GB SSD offers quick startup times, and you can easily expand storage through the microSD card slot. At only 3.3 pounds, it's portable enough to carry around campus without hassle. It also boasts a backlit keyboard and a fingerprint sensor for added security. The 10-hour battery life ensures you can power through your assignments and study sessions without always needing a charger. Pros: affordable, perfect for budget-conscious students. 360-degree hinge for flexible usage. Backlit keyboard and fingerprint sensor for comfort and security. Expandable storage with micro SD card slot. Great portability at just 3.3 pounds. Cons: 4 gigabytes of RAM may hinder performance when running multiple heavy applications. Limited for gaming or demanding graphic tasks. Display brightness may be insufficient in direct light. Speaker quality might not impress when watching movies. Thanks for watching our list of the top 5 best budget touchscreen laptops for students. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for top picks. Happy studying, and best of luck with your academic journey.